How to request special meals in Etihad Flight. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to request special meals in Etihad Flight. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is to log on to Etihad website on your PC using www.etihad.com. Once you've done that, the home page will be displayed on your screen, where at the top left corner of the screen you have the Etihad logo. Then you have the opportunity to book your flight straight away, manage your flight, check in your flight, or see your flight status. Then at the right side of your screen, the upper part, you have the option to book your flight, manage your flight. You have several options here like destinations, help, Etihad guest. You have your country icon, you have the search icon, you have the home icon. You can scroll down the home page to have an overview of what Etihad is all about. Now to request special meals on Etihad, all you need to do is to click on experience. Once you click on experience is the third option at the upper part of your screen towards the right side. That's the top right corner of your screen. The third option on the screen. Once you've clicked on it, a page will be displayed on your screen. We have three sections here. We have the onboard section, we have the before flight section, we have the sustainability section. So if we go to the onboard section, under the onboard section we have our cabins, we have our fleet, we have our meals on board, we have flying with children, and we have several other options on this list. So you simply click on meals on board, which is the third option on the list. Then you wait for your page to load. Since you want to request special meals on Etihad Flight, you have to be patient for the page to load. Here the page has loaded and is boldly written on the page, meals on board. So you have to make sure you're making the right decision about what you want to eat on board. There are several pictures. See the food picture on the page. So you have several options of what you want to eat. So just go through the options thoroughly and make sure that the option you're making would be according to your pocket, be according to what you can afford. So once you've gone through the page and you've made your choice, just at the bottom of the page, the lower part of your page, you see the icon request a meal. So you click on the icon request a meal. Once you click on it, your request will be ordered. Once you place a request, it will be granted. That's how to request special meal on Etihad Flight. So it's very simple. You can try it out. You can try out requesting special meal on Etihad Flight. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.